Want to use cutouts in Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to use cutouts in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Instagram app on your device. Next, click on the message icon from the top right corner of your screen. From here, select any one conversation. Then tap on the sticker icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on Cutouts. Select a photo that you want the cutout of. If you don't like the automatic cutout, click on the Select Manually button. Select the object that you want to cut out. Then tap on the Save Sticker button from the bottom right corner. Now you can use the cutout stickers in Instagram. And that's how you can use cutouts in Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.